Okay, Tammy, I hope you can see this. I will zoom into it a bit. Okay, so I do it on my phone while I'm away from my computer and we are watching something on our projection screen. All right, so you go to YouTube and then you open one of your videos. And then you have underneath, you have like, dislike, share, remix. You go to remix. And then the first one is edit into a short. Okay, click on that. And this is the video. And then you can move this until you find the part that you would like to have as a short. And then let's say here's Jose. If he is not in the middle, you can move your finger here over the screen to get the part in the middle. But of course you need to be a bit flexible because now he is in the middle, but in the next shot he might not be, so you have to find the middle way, if that makes any sense. And then here on top you have 15 seconds. If you touch that, it becomes 16 seconds, 60. So you can have 60 seconds short or 15, whatever you fancy. Okay, and then if you want to do, let's say 60, if you see here underneath here, you have to pull this out that it becomes 60. Otherwise it still is 15. Yeah, and then you just scroll to the part that you think, yeah, I find that interesting as a short. And then, like I said, pull this to the sides until you have what you want in the middle. And then done. It's going to save it. And then in the next screen you can put text on it, whatever you want to say. So, and then you can put the text up or down. So if you want more things, you say something again. How are you? Oh, you. Touch the screen. And then you can put it where you want it. Hello is there. If you want to edit hello, you touch it. So there. And then you have trim, voiceover, so you can say something over the video. Timeline, look. And you can say, I want hello to come first, and then how are you? I want that come later. So if you don't play it, so you can have lots of text underneath and then it comes on your screen whenever you want it, not all in one go, if that is what you want. If you've finished, you do done. And then you have filters, so you can make it look different, the whole video, whatever you like, lighter, darker, I think even black and white. Yeah. So you do, if you finish, you do the little V sign there. And then here you can also add an answering question that comes up on your screen. You can play with that. Next. Love you, darling.